Well, we do want to get over to Wave 31 Storm Tracker meteorologist Grace Anello because she is busy there.
She's very busy. There are a lot of we're talking about all these holiday events, but today is Veterans Day. A lot of parades. How's the weather holding out for that?
Absolutely. Well, Chris, if you have a morning parade, it's probably not ideal conditions for you. But if your parade is a little bit later on, well, there's light at the end of the tunnel and you could be good to go. 5:16 this morning, and we are seeing rain already on the Wave 31 Storm Tracker early warning radar network. The heaviest concentration is east in the Sand Mountain area, but we are still seeing some of our sprinkles west of the corridor. All that being said, we're going to see more rain before we do dry out, so grab the umbrella as you head out the door this morning. Well, in Muscle Shoals right now, we are looking mostly dry and still quite dark, but once the sun does rise, it is going to reveal to us some dense cloud cover ahead of some of these showers and storms. We're at 63 degrees in Athens. Good morning to you. Decatur, you're at 66 degrees, and over in Gunnersville, you're at 61 degrees this morning. So good morning to all of you as you do wake up to us. Now, to go ahead and answer the question that I'm sure is on everyone's mind, yes, today's rain is coming from what is now Tropical Depression Nicole. Now, it has turned into a low pressure system. It is moving through Georgia, and that's what's going to spur a lot of the rain in our region coming a little bit later on today. All right, well, let's walk through your future forecast as we head through the rest of this breakfast time hour. It is rain that is in the area for most of us. Now, the heaviest concentration is east of the corridor. By the time we get to 8 a.m., your temperatures will be in the low 60s. Well, today is not only Friday, which is reason enough to celebrate, but it is also Veterans Day. And we would like to say thank you so much to all of our veterans who have served our country. This morning we will be rainy, but if you have a parade to celebrate the holiday coming at around lunchtime, well, many of us will be dry. At that point of the day, temperatures in the mid 60s, and then your high temperature for the day later this afternoon in the upper 60s. All right, what do you say we go ahead and walk through future radar? I'll let you know what you're looking at for the rest of your day. This puts us at 7:30 in the morning. Like we talked about, heaviest rain in our Sand Mountain eastern area, but we do have some sprinkles over in the shoals. Now, the good news is by the time we get to 11:30, most of that heavy rain has pushed east to Georgia. We are still seeing some along the state line and a few sprinkles in Madison County, but the rest of us are largely dry. So you do have a Veterans Day parade starting at around lunchtime. You should be good to go. Now, even though sprinkles start to move east at 2:30 on this Friday afternoon, so many of us are dry. Many of us are even clear from clouds, but we do have a couple sprinkles left in our eastern counties. By 4 o'clock, almost all of us are dry, and we do stay that way for Friday night football. Yes, it's Friday, and this is Wave 31, which means it's time for your big game Friday night forecast. We will be holding on to decent weather with a little bit of cloud interference. By the time the game starts at 7 o'clock, we're talking about 61 degrees, and then when the game ends, we're talking about temperatures in the upper 50s. Now, your Saturday also brings some rain for you, but again, it's concentrated to the morning hours. By the time we get to lunch and beyond, we will be mostly dry. So it's rain this morning for your Veterans Day, rain again Saturday morning, but then we do have temperatures significantly cool off thanks to a cold front. We're talking about wake-up temperatures in the low 40s, high temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s. And take a look at those overnight lows on Sunday. We're talking about 20s there.